Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at Payoneer, a platform that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. Located at www.payoneer.com, Payoneer offers a convenient way for businesses and professionals to receive and send payments globally. Their services are particularly useful for freelancers, online marketplaces, and businesses operating internationally. Payoneer provides various tools to manage your finances, including receiving payments from clients worldwide, making payments to vendors and contractors, and withdrawing funds to your local bank account. They offer competitive exchange rates and support multiple currencies, making it easier to manage cross-border transactions. One of the key advantages of Payoneer is its global reach, connecting businesses and professionals in over 200 countries and territories. Whether you're a freelancer working with international clients or a business expanding into new markets, Payoneer aims to simplify the complexities of international payments. Their platform offers a secure and user-friendly interface for managing your transactions and tracking your funds. They also provide customer support to assist with any questions or issues that may arise. Overall, Payoneer offers a robust suite of financial tools designed to streamline global commerce. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to manage your international payments, be sure to check out www.payoneer.com and explore their range of services. From managing multiple currencies to withdrawing funds locally, Payoneer provides a comprehensive solution for businesses and professionals operating in the global marketplace. So, if you're juggling international clients or simply seeking a more streamlined way to manage your online finances, Payoneer is definitely worth considering. Their platform aims to provide the tools you need to navigate the complexities of cross-border payments effectively and efficiently. They also offer dedicated account management for certain account types, further enhancing the user experience. Don't forget, all the links from this overview are down in the description. Thanks for watching.